Respected sir and madam, this is Shailesh Shukla from Inside Batch October 2020. I'm here to give a presentation on exploratory data analysis on used car. As far as the framework concerned, starting from the problem statement, data cleaning, data collection, data cleaning, pre-profiling, post-processing, asking right questions, summarization, and observations, we will give an actionable insight at last. The problem statement is concerned as an American company is in business of selling buy and buying used car. This company has a reputation in market, but because of some reasons they have seen downfall in the sales. And to identify those factors, we need to do analysis on the data given by them to increase their sell. Data fetched from the sources, and we can see there were 10 variables, out of which we have a 5 categorical, 4 numerical, and 1 is boolean. Total observation were given around 9,576 of sold cars. While pre-processing before EDA, we have handled duplicate data, missing values, zero values, outliers, and inconsistent data, and rejected 310 rows, after which we have 9,153 rows in hand for observations. The, the box plot beside that is giving a glimpse of impression of data improved after removing outlier. Data exploratory data analysis is done in three parts. First part is done on the all over scenario to know the expected behavior of data set from 1953 to 2016. Part 2 is conducted on the highest sales year, 2008 to 13, and part 3 is conducted on the down sales year from 2014 to 16. We have drawn a plot which shows the correlationship between average selling price and sales per year. So first plot on top says that the average selling price has increased from 1990 to 2010 onward, and further it is increasing. So it is showing a positive trend onward. But the second plot, which shows that the sales per year has increased from 2000 to 2008, have a sudden fall in 2009, and it start further increasing from 2010 to 12, and further start declining from 13 onward. Highest sales in the total scenario, we can see that that most selling car was Volkswagen. After that, Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Toyota was followed. Based on the body and drive type, we can see that the sedan was the most selling car. And in drive type, we can see the front drive was the most sold. In the same context, we can see the wagon was list sold, and rear was list sold in drive type. So combination of frequency, like sedan body type and front drive type is can be a best option for selling. Based on the engine type, we can see that the petrol was most sold variable option for the engine in the sold car, and after that the gas was the least one. Petrol was having frequency of 4,215 in entire data set, which means that it is more than any of the engine type. Further, we plot a relationship between price, mileage, and engine versions. We can see a negative trend between price and mileage, where price when price increases, then mileage of the vehicle decreases, and even at the range of 5,000 to 20,000, we can see the highest mileage cars are available were sold, and when the price is increasing after $25,000, we can see there is a mileage has that drastically grown, has affected badly. In the other context, while seeing the relationship between the price and engine volume, engine version, we can see there is a positive trend. And when price increases, the engine version increases. But after reaching at certain point, around $40,000, the graph has suddenly dropped. And this means that most of the car sold with the price range of 40,000s, having all kind of engine version inclusive. Average selling price, this is like the plot between average selling price and the car sales frequency for the year 2008 and 13. We can see from the plot that the average selling price from 2008 to 2013 onward, it was having the positive trend. Price has increased from $12,050 to $21,367. In the same context, we can see the car sales frequency, which was very high in 2008, But after that, it has reduced drastically in 2009, and then it has gone up in 2013. Comparison of the top 10 most sold cars during high sales period and low sales period. We can see the Volkswagen was the all-time favorite and all-time high sold car. In other context, we can see Mercedes-Benz, Renault, Toyota, then BMW was the second options chosen by the customer. Based on the category, we can see the body type, engine type, and drive type. There was no difference in engine type and drive type when you plot the graph. Petrol and front was the most sold car, but body type we can see the sedan and crossover was the sedan was the first option in 2008 and 13, and uh, crossover was highest in 2014 and 16. Comparing car price frequency distribution between high and low period, we can see there is a majority of car were sold ranging from 8,650 to 19,500 between financial year 2008 and 13. We can see the increased range from $12,650 to 39,000 in the year of 2014 and 16. Average selling price of car and car sales frequency in 2014 and 16. We can see average selling price of the car has increased in down sales period from 25,000 to 32,000. But we can see the car sale frequency is also down, is down from 332 to 319, which means that in 2015 there was a sudden drop in the frequency of cars sold in that year, and then after it was gradually started upward. The box plot, this is the violin plot, which is a combination of distribution plot and box plot. So we can see that the distribution of the data is more over dense at the middle section of the violin. This means that at the price range of 8,650 to 19,000, we can see the more density of the data price data is there, and long tail shows that high value cars with a very low frequency of sales. The second chart shows that during low sales period 14-16, frequency has changed as data seen highly dense and spread ranging from 12,000 to 29,000. And the long tail at the top shows sales with the high value car with the frequency is better than high sales period. Conclusion. We conclude here that the most selling brand during all period was Volkswagen. After that, Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Toyota were opted. Most opted body type was sedan, crossover, hatch. Most opted engine was petrol, and after that, diesel and gas was kept on second preference. Majority of the car was sold ranging from $8,650 to $19,500 with the highest sales frequency of 1141 to 615 units per year. But for the down sales period, it was 12,000. The price range was 12,650 to 39,000 with the frequency of 331 units to 319 units per year, due to which the sales was dropped. Now, car having price range of more than 40,000 has a low frequency of selling, hence it has been reduced during the financial year 14-16. Also, sales drastically reduced for the car having price of 80,000 and above, which cause inventory losses and models get obsolete later. The RTO also has a concern RTO because of some vehicles seen that are not non-registers. That entries are 551. Actionable insights can be uh, while stocking up inventory, procurement of the used car to be done based on three major parameters. The combination permutations of these three major parameters are body type, engine type, and drive type. So, sedan, crossover, and hatch. Then in engine type, petrol, diesel, and drive type front to be preferred. So the combination can be put in priority while stocking up inventory. Need to limit buying price while stocking up inventory, keeping with the price range of $5,500 to 35,000, as this price was most preferred range by the customers while looking for an economical options. Need to limit the stocking price for the car more than 85,000, as frequency of selling of such models are very less, and thus increase burden and blocking up investment. While selecting car brand, most preferred brand to be selected is Volkswagen, Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Toyota. Other than this, frequency of other cars are low, and registration has to be taken into account and to be seen on priority that it should not keep any kind of hurdle at selling time. Thank you.